Hey guys,
Hello.
I'm sure many of you are wondering, how do I come up with all the sounds with my mouth? Well, basically, when I listen to a sound which I really want to learn, I would analyze that sound, break them into different steps, right? And then I re-engineer it again into my mouth. You want to know how it works?
Yes.
Let me give you an example. The water droplet sound. So, let's say if I have like a jar of water here, and the water is dropping into this jar, how would it sound like? So, this is the surface of the water, and this is the droplet. It goes down. It hits first, and the water bubbles form, and it goes back up, and then it goes back to the surface, and then it pops. Right? 5 steps. Right? And when we put these 5 steps together, we engineer it back together. Alright? Right? And it gets this sound. Right? It's very simple. And you can play with it. And then you can even beatbox with it. For example,